Dental cleanings and exams are necessary to safely remove plaque and tartar and help identify issues and prevent future problems. Dental cleanings can help prevent tooth decay and gum disease if they are done regularly. It's never too late to start routine preventative care. Everyone can benefit from a professional cleaning. Exams help prevent gum disease and tooth decay and identify issues before they become serious. We recommend cleanings and exams every 6 months to keep up with your dental health and ensure your teeth are healthy. Your appointment will begin with a cleaning by a licensed hygienist. Special instruments are used to clear away plaque, tartar, and surface stains. After your cleaning, our doctor will perform a detailed exam to check existing restorations or decay and perform an oral cancer screening. If you are due for an exam and cleaning, call our office to make an appointment. Our friendly staff will be happy to assist you.